Everyone, so today I am going to learn some basic algebra. So first of all, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is very easy to prove. We can do it like this: a square plus ab plus, so we'll bring the b square here, b square plus ab. We are splitting the ab into two parts, so a into a plus b, let's take b common, into a plus b. Now a plus b you can again take common, so a plus b into a plus b equal to a plus b whole square. Thus this is proved: a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next formula: a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can try it yourself also, so you can do it this way. So a and a square minus 2ab, so a common, a into a minus b, and b square minus ab, so b into a minus b, so again it becomes a minus b square, like this. What if we add these two formulas? So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to, so here we will take a plus b whole square value, so a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2ab cut each other, so we get 2a square plus 2b square. Okay, nextly at fourth number, what if we subtract the smaller one from the greater one? I mean s plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Similarly, if we do it, the answer will come 4ab. Now here is a question for the application. Let x plus y equals to 4, xy equals to, sorry, that's the wrong question, so it will actually be 10, x plus y equal to 10 and xy equal to 9. Now our question is to find x minus y. So here we can apply the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Let us see it. So x plus y whole square equal to 10. Sorry, I am okay. So x plus y equal to 10 and xy equal to 9. So we can write it in this way: x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 10 square, so it is 100. Now we know that x minus y whole square equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy equals to 100 minus 4xy, because we are this is 100 and we are subtracting 4xy from it, so 100 minus 4xy equal to 100 minus 4 into 9, so you can get 100 minus 36, 64. So x minus y whole square equals to 64. So x minus y equal to plus minus 8, because minus 8 whole square also equal to 64 and plus 8 whole square also equal to 64. So these are the normal formulas. Now let us head towards some more difficult formulas. Your question is a plus b plus c whole square. So what will you do? So a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So multiply a with a with b, a with c, b with a, b with b, b with c. Like I am not going into the process, but at the end you get this: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, nextly, so let's see a question on this. So this is the question: we have to find a minus b plus c whole square. So we can write this in a different format. So so as we can see, it is a minus b plus c whole square. So if we take so it is basically the same thing, just the fact is that the plus b, it is minus plus b, so a minus plus b plus c whole square. So it is the question. Now we have to solve this. So we are going to take the value that came in a plus b plus c whole square and do a very small change. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now wherever there is a b, we have to make it, wherever there is 1b, we have to make it minus, because 1b means it will be negative sign. But when there are 2b's, for example here b square, we do not need to change the sign because 2b's minus minus make plus. So here it's 1b, so minus 2ab, and here it is minus 2ac. So the formula become a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ac equals to a minus b plus c whole square. Okay, so there's another important note. We can write it in another way. This is actually, sorry, it is not the same thing. But what if we took it a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac? What if we took in this question? Then can you solve this question? Well, it is a very similar question. If we multiply it by 2, it becomes 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ac. If you arrange all of this, you will see that we can take a square plus b square minus 2ab, b square plus c square minus 2bc, c square plus a square minus 2ac. So it becomes a minus c whole square plus b minus c whole square plus a minus c whole square. Now we have to remember something. We multiplied by 2. Whatever is multiplied by 2 must also be divided by 2. So it becomes a minus c whole square plus b minus c whole square plus a minus c whole square divided by 2 equals to a plus b square, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Therefore, we can conclude a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square divided by 2. Before we end this video, let's do two small questions. So actually one small question. So before that, we need to have this important piece of advice. Let's say x square and 0 relation. If x is positive, for example 1 or anything, then it will always be greater than 0. If x is equal to 0, x square also equal to 0. If x equal to negative, then x square is also greater than 0. So minus 1 whole square is 1, as I told. And if x is imaginary, that is I, only in that case x square is less than 0. I mean, only in that case that x is imaginary is x negative. In all other cases, I mean in all real number cases, x value is positive, or at least the variable containing x in an equation with 0 should be positive. So for example, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 0. Now we cannot make one value. Now the question states that x comma y are real. So if x comma y are real, then in all cases any square value will always be, in every case any square value will always be 0 or greater than 0. So in this case what we need to do is we have to make both these expressions equal to 0, because we cannot make one negative. So we have to make both of these 0. So x minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. In this one, y minus 3 whole square equal to 0. So y minus 3 equal to 0. So y equal to 3. So here we get x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So thank you everyone, and wait for the next part 2. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.